Hello my loves, welcome back to another bare naked face video with Mr. Jovita. Wow, it's been such a long time since I said that. You know what, for the past 10 days I've been in a kind of a lazy funk. I did not go to the gym. So today I forced myself to go to the gym in the evening. So now it's 9 p.m. I just got back from the gym and I just took a shower and I was about to do my evening skincare routine, and then I realized that you guys really loved my morning skincare routine, which I will link up here just in case you haven't seen that. And I asked you guys to let me know if you want to see a similar, very raw, very real evening skincare routine that I do as well, and y'all said yes, Jovi, give it to us. So I thought might as well take you along with me today. So the thing about my skincare routine is that I tailor it to what my skin needs on that particular day, and what I'm going through right now is a little bit of breakout. I've been treating this for a couple of days now, so it is calming down. My whole face is, I don't know what's happening. There are little tiny bumps, so that is one of the concerns that I'm going to be keeping in mind while tailoring or designing my skincare routine for today's evening. Yeah, so let's go into my bathroom because that's what I do my skincare routine. It's gonna be echoey, guys, just have to deal with it, okay? We're getting real and personal here. Yeah. Alright, so I've already washed my face, and today I used the Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash. This is just what was sitting in my shower, so that's that. And today I'm gonna do a little bit of micro needling just on my neck because I do not like these deep wrinkles on my neck, guys, and I feel like it's getting deeper because I've lost a little bit of weight, and apparently it happens when you've lost weight. So this is the newer version of micro needling device from Banish Acne Scars. They sent it to me I think a year ago. The thing is, a lot of you guys have asked me about microneedling, if it is effective or not, and you guys, it is effective if you do it consistently, but it is something that I don't really recommend a beginner to do on your own because you really have to be careful about the needle length and the needle pressure you apply, and there are so many things you have to keep in mind. So I do not want you guys to have a mishap, because if you do it wrong you can damage your skin even permanently. So I have on and off been doing this for a couple of years now, so I know the ways around it, but of course I would get much better results if I went to a dermatologist or an esthetician for sure. So I'm not doing this all over my face. I'm only targeting the areas where I have wrinkles, like my forehead, my smile lines, and of course these deep wrinkles which really bother me. But this is one of those things that you really can't do much about. So what we can do is just these derma rollers, retinols, those kind of anti-aging products. And the thing is, I'm very lazy with this, so I do this like once a month. That is not enough. If you do it like twice a week, you're sure to get results, but I just get really lazy. Now, when it comes to my evening routine, I like to apply my evening routine on a slightly damp skin. I have explained why in one of my previous beauty secrets video, which I'll link up here, and you can really use anything, even boiled water. It doesn't have to be a toner or a face mist, but since I have a lot of face mist sitting around, I just use one of them. Today I'm using the Sapphire Dew face mist. It's got some really amazing properties and ingredients. Another thing that I've been doing of late is multi skincare on different parts of the face. Like for example, on my neck, like I mentioned, my concern is the wrinkles, so I'm using an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle kind of a product on my neck, and I'm trying this product out called the Regenta Serum from Eclat. It is the EGF solution, 4%. Now EGF is epidermal growth factor. It is supposed to be really good for things like wrinkles and stuff, so I'm just applying that exactly where I did the micro rolling, and I'm really gonna press that into the skin. Now, I've not used this serum long enough to give you guys a review, so I'm not gonna ask you to buy it, not buy it. I'm just telling you that this is what I'm using. I see this as a promising product. The only downside is I'm not that very happy with the fragrance in it, and it has a very silicone texture, which I don't like. And I've also been doing the curly girl routine for the past 1.5 months, and that also gave me an allergic reaction on my back where the gel touches my neck. So I'm also applying this on that area to kind of treat the little rash and dry patches that I've been getting. Alright, now to target the pimples that I've been getting, I'm gonna go into the Dr.Sheth BHA and Neem serum, because again, I'm just targeting skincare products to the areas of my face that needs it, you know. So I've been breaking out a lot on my chin. Of course, I have blackheads on my nose and on my forehead. Right here, I've been breaking out. So I'm applying this serum right there on my nose, and I'm gonna rub this into my chin and jaw. I think it could be the mask wearing, or I don't know if it is stress levels, hormones, I don't know, because pimples on the jaw is also related to stress and hormone. So anyways, I'm just gonna apply the Neem and BHA serum into these areas. Yeah, feels good. Now usually I end this routine with a couple of drops of face oil, but these two serums are kind of hydrating enough for me for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of extra anti-aging, anti-acne. And what is that? Retinoid, guys. So Dr.Sheth has the rosehip and retinoid power emulsion. So I'm going to use this as my moisturizer, you know, final step in today's routine. Taking 3 pumps right there. And I'm going to apply this really all over my face. Now, retinoids are good for acne, it's good for wrinkles, anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, but I would not recommend retinoid serum if you are under the age of 25. I will not recommend it unless you have gone to a dermatologist and the dermatologist recommended it to you, because young skin really does not need something as powerful as vitamin A, you know. But having said that, if you are 25 and above and if you've been wanting to try a retinoid serum, this is a really good one to try. This is big enough friendly. It's just got 1% retinoid. It's a very mild formulation, and it's also got raw and it's also got rosehip seed oil to hydrate, so your skin does not peel. At least mine never got irritated or peeled, because usually vitamin A has that effect, you know, it dries out your skin and makes it peel, but this didn't do any of that to me. So that's what my skin looks like. I think we're good. Do I wanna, you know what, I'm feeling a little extra today. I think I've got enough hydration, but just because we're filming and I'm feeling a little extra, I'm going to top it off with just a couple of drops of oil, okay? So I'm going to go with the Sapphire Glow Night Repair Elixir. Now this oil is specifically made for acne and blemishes and hyperpigmentation and those kind of things. So that's about 6 drops right there. That's exactly what my skin needs right now. So I'm just rubbing it into my palm, warming it up slightly, and then that even relaxes me, you know. Just gently press that into my skin as a sealing layer to everything that we applied. Now I will be going to bed only like in an hour or 2, so all of this has enough time to marinate onto my skin, so it will not like rub away on my pillow, you know, because I am a face sleeper, which is also really bad for wrinkles and everything and pimples. But I just need to sleep on my face, you know. You guys, what kind of sleeper are you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so if you apply your skincare products just before going to bed, make sure that you're not, you know, squishing your face onto your pillow, because everything is just gonna rub off, right? Whew, that feels good, you guys. That feels good. I'm also gonna apply whatever is remaining onto the back of my hand, and our evening skincare routine is done. It was very chatty. I think I did the whole thing in like one take. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, guys. If you did, do not forget to click that thumbs up button right underneath this video, okay? And I shall see you in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. I love you so much.